Hey, writers, we're going to talk about another element that's very important to your character and to your story, and that is reflection. Reflection is basically somebody who's in your story, a character that is there to help your protagonist. He's there to convince and for your protagonist to talk to. It helps reveal your protagonist's inner conflict, and it helps him reveal his outer conflict. And to have a friend there that he could talk to who's on the same page with him is called a reflection. Somebody who helps him get what he wants or what she wants. It's called the reflection character. So when you watch a movie and let me think of a good movie. A movie where a guy or a woman may want something, but they confide in a friend, and a friend motivates them to do it, or say, hey, no, I'm going to help you do this. I'm going to help you do that so you can get what you want. That's called a reflection. Every story should have a reflection to the main character to help push the story along. It creates a more credibility for your main character and pushes your story forward. And it gives you an outlet to really balance things out with the reflection. It gives us a chance to know who your protagonist is when your protagonist voice what he's trying to do or what she's trying to do to the reflection character. It kind of helps move the story here. Also, when you're writing a story, you want to introduce your protagonist, your hero of your story, as quick as you can, because the reader is waiting on someone to identify with. So don't write 10 chapters without revealing your main character of the story. You want to get your main character in the story as fast as possible. And you want to definitely create a reflection character for that protagonist to balance his energy off of, or her energy off of, to bring balance to the main character. Like and subscribe to my page. It really helps me out if you would like my page. I also have a mentor service. Hit me up at blackbooksforus@gmail.com, and I will do one-on-one mentorship. But I need you to subscribe to my page. I really want you guys to succeed. Please subscribe to my page. Peace.